Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are cooking sweet potato leaves. Yes, Kalembula as we call it in Zambia. This is a very easy recipe and only requires a few ingredients. So stay tuned to see how I cook this delicious vegetable, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So let's get started. As promised, these are the only ingredients you need for this recipe. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing these ingredients, and I'm starting by washing the sweet potato leaves. And I'm using the frozen kind, but the fresh one will work the same. The taste is gonna be the same, nothing to worry about. So yeah, let's move on to the next step. So after washing, I'm now squeezing the liquid out of the vegetables because I don't want to deal with a lot of water when I start cooking them. And then we are here as per Zambian cooking. I'm chopping up some onions and tomatoes to go with the vegetables. Alright, now we are done with the preparations. So now I'm going to heat up some oil on the pan, and then I'll start by throwing in the onions and I'll cook them until they are soft. Then I'll add the tomatoes. So if you're not Zambian and you need to try Zambian vegetables, this should be the vegetable you should go for because it's just the best. And we have it with Nshima, but I don't know how it will taste with other carbs because I've never tried that. But yeah, Nshima with sweet potato leaves, the best. So I don't know if you can see that, but I just sprinkled some salt just at the point that I added the tomatoes, and I'm just stirring everything together. So when we get to this point is when I add the vegetables. Okay, now that I've added the vegetables in, I'll keep stirring and making sure they are not sticking to the bottom because they're gonna bend that way. And then I'm making sure to cook on medium low so that the vegetables can cook evenly. So this process will take a while because you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring until the vegetables get soft. That's how you know they're cooked. Okay, we are here. So here I am showing you that the vegetables are cooked. They are nice and soft. Yeah, so this is how they should look when they're fully cooked. I'm just gonna plate them, and yeah, this brings me to the end of this video. I want to thank you for watching and staying till the end. I will see you in my next one. Bye.